In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Bybit to Revolut. So to do this, what you want to go and do first is open up Bybit and go to your assets in the bottom right. Now to do this, I recommend just transferring crypto to your Revolut account, since that's the fastest way to do it. Now on Revolut, currently you can only receive Bitcoin. Therefore you want to make sure you have some Bitcoin in your Bybit account. If you don't, just go to wherever you have your money. And for example, I have some USDT, so I'll just convert this USDT into Bitcoin. So just click convert in the bottom, and then where it says to, I will search for Bitcoin or BTC right here. And then just choose how much you want to do, for example, 20 USDT into Bitcoin, and then click confirm. And now I have it in Bitcoin. Now what you can do is click withdraw in Bybit, and then just select Bitcoin. And you will need to put in a wallet address, and I'll show you how to find this on Revolut. But first, for the network, you want to select BTC, although the fee is pretty high, so this mainly makes sense if you are transferring a larger amount of money. So I'm only transferring about $20, so then with a $12 fee, it's not really worth it. But here you can just choose how much you then want to transfer. And for the wallet address, to find this, just open up Revolut. And then on Revolut, click on crypto in the bottom, and then click on receive, and then you will see that currently only Bitcoin is available. So click Bitcoin and then copy, and then you can paste in the address here. Now I would only do this probably if you're sending more than $200. If you're sending less, then what you can also do to avoid some of those fees is to first sell your crypto on Bybit so that you have it in a fiat currency, and then just click withdraw again, click fiat. Then here select, in this case, euro, then choose how much you want to withdraw, and then make sure that the payment method is a bank account, so in this case, SEPA transfer. And then here I already have my bank account connected, but if you don't, then from here you can connect a bank account, and then you can just connect your Revolut account. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Bybit to Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.